morning guys. For today's video, we're cooking pancit bihon. My very own version. Ayan po, meron tayo ditong pork na slice ko na siya, na half cook na rin yan. And then, yung ating chicken, I have carrots, fresh mushroom, onion and garlic, and of course, cabbage. And dito ang ating bihon. Alright. So guys, here on the same pan that I used for my pork chop, dito ko na rin igigisa yung ating mga ingredients. Mainit yung ating pan guys. So lalagay na natin ang ating napakaraming carrots. Carrots coming. Alright, mix lang natin yan sana very light because no need naman i-overcook. Guys, there you go. Okay na yan si carrots. Mabilis lang. Ang reason lang is gusto ko lang mag-color yung ating cooking oil bago mag-saute ng other. Guys, on the same pan, natanggal na natin yung ating carrots na may naiwan pang isa. Then, we're going to saute our garlic. Then, let's add our onions. White onions lang ang available ako guys. I would recommend yung red. Mas malasa or mas maamoy. Okay lang. Kasi feeling ko mas maganda yung aroma ng nasa red. So again, susutay lang natin ito lang lahat. Caramelize na ng ganyan ang texture ng ating onion. Pwede na natin i-add ang ating chicken muna kasi hindi siya ganun kaluto. Whereas the pork is very light cooked na din. Pero unahin na lang natin ang chicken. Para mas lumasa. Konting-konti lang siya guys. Now, we're going to add our pepper. Add na tayo ng pepper. Guys, pwede na natin isama yung ating pork. Ooh, lala. Look at that, people. Sana naamoy niyo siya. Guys, pwede na tayong maglagay ng ating patis. And the magic. Magic, where are you? Lagay na tayo ng konting seasonings, guys. Okay. Sobrang ganda na ng kanyang color. We're going to add our mushroom. There you go. Oh my goodness. Ang sarap na talaga niya, guys. Guys, we can add now our cabbage. Alright. Halo-halo lang. Oh my goodness. This is so yummy. I'm craving this food for so long. Wow, so long talaga. No, I mean, available naman ito siya sa amin dito sa 7-Eleven, mga convenience store. But syempre, iba pa rin ang lutong Pinoy. Guys, kapag well mixed na siya, hindi natin siya kailangang i-overcook kasi repolyo naman yan. We can add now our carrots. Look at that. Tingnan naman. Ay, naka pancit pa more. Very simple. Napakabilis lang kapag na-prepare nyo na po lahat ng ingredients. Ibig sabihin, i-slice nyo po siya sama-sama together. Para pag nag-gisa kayo, sama-sama na mabilis lang talaga siya guys. Tanggalin na natin yung ating mga veggies. Lagay na natin siya dito. And then, ready na natin yung ating bihon. So, tapusin ko lang po ito. Alright guys, natanggal na natin yung ating mga veggies. Naglagay na ako dito, iniwan ko niya kanyang sabaw. And then, yung ating chicken broth na pinaglagaan kanina ng ating konting chicken. I'm going to add this as well. Oops, may pepper. Tanggalin natin. Ayaw ni Papa yung malaking pepper. Can we add some more? Yan. I think more pa. Tapos maglagay na tayo ng ating soy sauce. There you go. Guys, lasahan nyo siya pag okay na or need nyo pa maglagay ng chicken broth. So, hindi na ako naglagay guys kasi may lasa na yung ating sabaw. Then, lagay na natin si bihon. Inano ko na to siya guys kanina. Sinok ko na sa water. Nang very, very light din. Ooh la la! Come on guys, let's eat pancit. So, i-mix ko lang siya. Guys, okay na ang ating bihon. We can now add our veggies. Charan! Dami ng ating gulay, guys. Wait lang po ah. Wala si Papa maghahalo eh. Ayan. Oh no! This is so yummy, people. Let's eat our pancit. Ayan, halo ko lang siya guys. And then this is good to go. Ready to eat and serve. Ready to serve and luto na po ang ating pancit bihon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it guys. Sana itry nyo din yung ganito kasimple yet very nutritious and delicious pancit bihon. Okay na yung ating pansit at nag-cut na din ako nitong ating scrambled egg. Kinat ko lang siya guys ng very light and then nilagay ko siya dito for the garnishing. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you like it. Sobrang yummy po ng ating pansit bihon. Paalam!